So hi guys, today I'm here in Villaamanta. Today is a christening day of my cousin daughter and I am a godmother. So let's go. Let's see what is going on.
Ayan, hindi alatang mahihain si Mami, no? Kasi dahil. Palakpakan naman po natin. Ang hindi papalakpak, hindi kakain. Ayan. Oo, lalo na. Napakasarap ng ating lechon, di ba? Okay. Good afternoon sa lahat ng mga guests natin. Okay, this time kakanta na tayo ng happy birthday. Wala mo nang aalis dyan. Kanta tayo ng happy birthday para kay best friend.